Hello everyone, my name is Emolynn Pena and I am a tutor with GEARUP. In this video, I will show you how to solve for equivalent expressions, but before I do that, let me remind you why knowing algebra is important. It is important to know algebra because sometimes we are put in situations in which we need to know a little bit of basic algebra, such as when we look into which credit card is better for you, because you then look at different credit cards and the interest rate that they offer, and you obviously want to go with the lowest one. So in order for you to determine which credit card is best for you, you will need some basic algebra foundations. To begin, equivalent expressions are two algebraic expressions that have the same value. In this problem, it asks, which expressions are equivalent to 2b plus 3c? Select all that apply. In this problem, the first thing that we want to do is grab the 2b plus 3c expression and solve for it. So let's distribute 2 to the b and the 2 to the 3c. This will give us 2b plus 6c. And now that we have our expression in the simplest form, we can start looking at the answer choices and do the same thing to them. So for A, we are going to distribute the 3 to the B and the 3 to the 2C. So that will result in 3B plus 6C, which is not the same as the expression that we got in our problem. So A is not the answer. Now let's take a look at B. B is adding B plus 3C plus B plus 3C. So in this case, we have to combine like terms, so we combine both B's and both C's. This will give us 2B plus 6C. Which is the same as the one we have in our problem. So B can be one of the answers. Now let's take a look at C, and we're going to do the same thing, distribute the 2 to the B and the 2 to the 3C. So once we distribute, we get 2B plus 6C, which is the same as the expression in our problem. So again, C can also be one of the answers, so our answers are B and C. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was very helpful. Remember to always solve for the equation first and to combine like terms. Also remember to distribute and to remember the signs, because a negative times a negative equals a positive, and sometimes we don't pay attention to that and we end up putting a positive or a negative in the wrong place. So always double check for that. If you still need additional help, remember that there's always tutor.com that can help you solve a problem.